So it's he say she say thing basically, since they didn't find no firearm on me.
No, it's a he said, she said, he said, he said thing, because they have witnesses.
In custody arraignments, after hours, on a holiday weekend? Yes, please. The one who can defend himself.
David Morales.
Okay, you stay put, Mr. Morales. Excuse us.
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Morales, did you need a court-appointed lawyer?
No, I'll go pro se.
Okay. You have got a state jail felony for arson. Your bond is $50,000 with the condition that you get a mental health evaluation. Any question about any of this, sir? All right, thank you.
The one that did what now?
Mr. Medina, do you need a court-appointed lawyer when you get to Valverde County?
Yeah, I think so.
All right, I think so too. You have got felony warrants for possession of a controlled substance, 10,000, and then smuggling of persons, 10,000 each for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 cases. Any question about any of this?
No.
All right, so that's 120,000 altogether. And if you don't bond out, well, then Valverde County has 10 working days to come get you. All right, thank you, sir.
The one with the hairdo.
Do you need a court-appointed lawyer?
Yes, sir.
All right. You got a bond increase from yeah, 331st District Court. And so looks like Judge Eldridge increased your bond to 15,000. And then you had a bond increase on a Class A misdemeanor for violation of a protective order. Your bond on that's 1,500, but they want GPS in jail, no contact with the complaining witness, 200 yards stay away, must reside with your mother and grandmother at the address in Elgin, get evaluated for family violence and engage in recommended treatment. Did you have any question about any of that, sir?
Yeah, what's my total bond, sir? The total of all that?
Oh, I don't know who your court-appointed lawyer is.
No. Sorry, sir. I said, can you tell me the total of that bond?
These two, it is 16,500.
All right, that's a bit.
All right, thank you.
The one who fell victim to circumstance.
Here I am.
All right, I was just looking at your paperwork. You also have a warrant out of municipal court from 2016 for alcohol at the park. I'll give you the option. If you want to take a conviction and have that on your record, I'll give you a total jail credit layout on it. If you want to try and keep it off your record, you go talk to the prosecutor and they will probably dismiss it. What would you like to do?
I'd like to keep it off my record.
Okay. Well, then I will set you up to visit with the prosecutor at municipal court.
That on 6th Street?
Huh?
Is that on the 6th Street?
No, they moved it to the middle of nowhere on Burleson Road, out towards the airport.
I think I know which one.
Okay, all right. And then do you need a court-appointed lawyer on your other cases?
Could you put me down for possibly?
Yeah, sure. So you've got a third degree felony, prohibited substance at the jail, it's 10,000.
Well, sir, they told me that they were gonna charge me possession. I didn't know it was, I thought they had found it on me already. I didn't know.
Okay, well, be sure and talk to your attorney about that. It's a $10,000 bond with an evaluation for a drug problem, screening for drug court, and you can't own or possess firearms. And then you got a third degree felony, unlawfully carrying a weapon. Bond on that is 20,000, no firearms, and a 500-yard stay away from 400 East 6th Street.
I thought it was class A misdemeanor. No?
No, sir, because let me see here. You got a felony conviction for family violence in 2021, so you're a felon in possession of a weapon.
That was dropped to a misdemeanor. To simple.
Okay, well, be sure and talk to your attorney about that too.
Okay. And did I qualify for the PR bond?
No, because of the felon with the weapon. So if
There's no way you can change the verdict on that, sir?
you shouldn't be downtown with a gun, we just, no. If you can give me a good reason for carrying a gun downtown with drugs,
I had bought the drugs from that club. It was just a random thing.
yeah, well,
But I mean,
random things have consequences, I'm sorry.
there's no way, any way possible for the PR bond?
Not right now. I mean, I don't know how you, as a felon, you randomly get a gun.
I don't believe you.
I don't know how that works. All right, thank you, sir.
What was the bond?
It's 30,000 total.
All right.
The one that didn't do nothing.
How you doing, Judge?
All right, I apologize, sir. You were the last one I was getting to tonight, and I have not reviewed this yet.
No, that's fine.
And there's 1, 2, 3, 4 charges, and they're all the same. Second degree felony, aggravated assault with a deadly weapon. And let me see.
Excuse me, Judge, how did assault by assault nobody?
I'm sorry, what was your question?
I said, how did an assault if I didn't assault nobody?
Well, let's see. What they claim is that you ran into somebody's car.
No, somebody ran into my car on the way coming home from dropping off a friend for his birthday. They ran into my car. I got outside my car.
And they claim that you pulled a Glock out.
A Glock. Wow, no, that is not how it happened. Apparently, it was 5 against 1 because I was the only one that was out there. But
Apparently, I've never been on live television before. And apparently, apparently, Grandpa just gives me a remote after we watch the Powerball.
they all surrounded my car trying to jump me.
And that you pointed the pistol at them. And it looks like,
So I'm sorry to cut you off, Judge. So it's he say she say thing basically, since they didn't find no firearm on me.
no, it's a he said, she said, he said thing, because they have witnesses.
But no weapon.
Yeah, so their second degree felony, aggravated assault with deadly weapon, no contact with the alleged victims, stay 200 yards away from them, 25,000 bond on each one, no firearms. And
That's crazy,
do you have any other questions about it, sir?
Yeah, that's crazy because I never owned a firearm my day in my life. But what about was I available for the PR bond, sir?
No, sir, by law, because there's a charge that you were using a gun to point at people and threaten them. By law, you cannot get a personal bond.
Well, how is that true if they didn't find no firearm, sir? Just because he said, she said, he said type of deal that you just said?
Yeah, with the witnesses, that's what they're basing it off of.
Oh, so just because the witnesses, that's what they're going off of.
Yeah.
And you said it's 25 apiece?
Yeah, so that's 100 total.
Yeah. Just for a quick question, how much time, if I'm not able to pay that off, how much time is that?
Talk to your lawyer and see, what the current timeline is on getting to court on stuff like this. I don't know.
Cause I might need a court appointed.
All right, I'll put you down.
Thank you very much, Judge.
Judge, I have two gentlemen here.
Got them right here. Okay.
The one who may be single-handedly responsible for the price hikes at Target.
How dare you? You have stolen my dreams.
All right, Mr. Williams, do you need a court-appointed lawyer?
Yes.
All right. You got two charges. You got a Class B misdemeanor criminal trespass. Your bond on that is $10,000 with the condition that you stay 200 yards away from 901 East 5th, the target, get a GPS in jail. And same conditions for a state jail felony theft of property, and the bond on that is $15,000. Any question about any of this, sir?
Why is the bond so high, 10,000? I'm missing.
Because they are claiming in the affidavit that since May of 2022 until now, you've been documented with 80 thefts from that particular target with a total value of $7,000 in items taken. So you apparently are well known at that establishment, and they'd like to know you a lot less.
So I have a total, what's my total in bonds?
25,000.
So 10% of 25,000, 2,500.
Well, if you can do math that well, you should be able to understand, stay away from that target.
Thank you.
Thank you.
The one who tried PCP and then tried to drive.
And Mr. Ransom,
Yes.
do you need a court-appointed lawyer?
I don't know.
I'm going to put you down for one. You got two charges. You got a Class B misdemeanor driving while intoxicated with a $3,000 bond. And you got a third-degree felony possession of a controlled substance with a $15,000 bond. And you got my advice that you really, really, really need to leave PCP alone. It will fry your brain to the point you don't know you're pissing.
What?
Oh my God! Yeah, that was my first time doing it and my last time doing it.
I used to work out at the state hospital, and I watched a guy who did PCP. The first time he came in, he was a normal person. By the time I saw him the last time, he didn't even know he was pissing when he tried to talk to me.
Yeah, that
All
was
right, Brad, you got to get evaluated for a drug situation, submit random urinary samples,
am I available for PR?
and you may not drive without a valid license and liability insurance. Yes, you did get personal bonds, so you will get released tonight. You'll have a week to pay pretrial $40 on each one.
Yes.
Don't screw up, okay?
I won't, Judge. Thank you so much.
All right, did you have any other questions about any of this?
No.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
Wait, you can get arrested for driving under the influence of PCP, get a personal bond, and be out the next day? That doesn't seem right. Let me know in the comments. I'll see you there.